Alex Hormozi's companies generate over $200 million per year. And the wildest part is that he gives almost everything away for free, yet no one takes any action about it. So I decided to reverse engineer the whole thing and then rebuild the entire system inside Google Docs using GPT Workspace. I spent the last month watching all his content, his YouTube videos, his Instagram clips, his online trainings and courses, his books, so you don't have to. In this video, we're gonna break down Alex Hormozi's exact 2025 lead generation stack. This includes his philosophy, his strategies, his tools that he uses, and I'll show you how to generate your scripts and your offers using GPT Workspace step by step. See, Hormozi doesn't see lead generation as get a customer, then get another customer step by step. He more sees it as building a system that just compounds leads and generates them for you. Here are his 5 core philosophies. Number 1 is to build reinforcing systems. Build a system that gets you customers, then reviews, then referrals, and then more customers. And that way you build momentum, not just a client list. Number 2 is the rule of reciprocity. Give so much value that people literally feel like they owe you. He literally gives away all his stuff for free. So when people do get enough money to work for acquisition.com, they literally line up for him. Number 3 is extreme ownership. If you're not getting leads, it's your fault. No blaming algorithms, ad spends, or timing. Fix your offer and then fix your funnel. Number 4 is avoid linear growth. Build systems and automations that are working when you're not. This is like think content, think retargeting, think AI. Number 5 is the 3 pillars. Get high quality leads, treat customers insanely well, and ask for reviews and referrals every time. So Hormozi's favorite starting point is warm outreach. So literally just texting people you already know. So the script formula is start with the life catch up, then ask a quick question. So hey, do you need help with insert niche? Number 3 is offer something free to build momentum. Number 4 is ask for a referral if it's not fit. And you can track this in Notion or even Google Sheets. I use Google Sheets in GPT Workspace to write the message script for each niche. All I'm doing, once I've started GPT Workspace, I just paste in this prompt, which is equals GPT, write a casual text to a warm lead asking if they need help with generating leads for their small business. Mention I'm offering it for 3 people this month for testimonials. And then just make sure you input the values it wants to refer to. So for us, it's A2. So now it's sent, it's created a DM based on Sarah's information. So the DM that it's created is, hey Sarah, hope you're well. Wanted to reach out and see if you need help generating leads for your plumbing business. I'm offering this service for free to 5 people this month in exchange for testimonials. Let me know if you're interested. And now you can drag and drop that for the rest of your contacts, and it'll create these DMs for you. All right, so now let's talk cold outreach. Hormozi says there's only 3 problems with cold outreach. Who do I reach out to? What do I say? And how do I get more people to hear it? So solution 1 is to find emails using a software like Instantly, Lead Finder, Verified Leads. All these softwares basically do that. I used Apollo to generate these leads. And now you want to personalize your message and then send it at scale with automation. So this is how you can do that. So all you need to do is go into extensions and start GPT Workspace. Once GPT Workspace has started, you just need to paste this prompt in, which is write a cold email to job title at company, mention their recent activity to personalize, then ask if they need struggle with getting subscribers and offer social media management as a solution. Keep the tone casual yet professional. And all you need to do is enter. And now it's just generated a cold email based on the data from the lead. And then to get that for all your leads, all you need to do is drag and drop. And it's just as simple as that. Boom, now it's generated cold emails for all your leads. Now all this lead generation stuff is pointless if your offer sucks. So here's the formula Alex preaches. So he says value equals dream outcome times likelihood of success divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. Now let's write an irresistible offer using GPT Workspace. So again, all we got to do is go into GPT Workspace and start it. You can just paste your prompts in here. So I said I run a lead generation agency for home services business. Write an offer using Alex Hormozi's value formula. Dream outcome, likelihood of achievement or proof, speed and low effort. And then we can paste that through. And now GPT Workspace is developing our offer for us. So all we need to do is come in here, copy that and paste that in. And now we've got our offer created for us. As simple as that. Another thing we can do is Hormozi used to hate content, and now he sees it sort of as a lubricant that makes your cold emails, ads, and referrals actually stick. So you can put in a prompt that's like, give me 10 short form content hooks to attract, for example, gym owners struggling with client retention. And now GPT Workspace will start thinking and generate, there you go, 10 hooks you can instantly use. Insert that, and then you can copy that and paste that straight in. And bam, now you've got 10 short form hooks ready to use. Now, if you want to build your own Alex Hormozi style lead generation machine, it all starts with GPT Workspace. So you can write the scripts, build outreach templates, and even generate offers directly inside Google Docs or Sheets. So I'll leave a link to the free extension for GPT Workspace in the description below. But otherwise, please subscribe for more AI productivity hacks in the future.